Here we are checking out this full front yard landscape renovation. You can see here we sodded the whole area, brought in about 5 yards of topsoil, and a new landscape design has been installed. So you can see instant gratification that I'm always talking about with this sod. We also did a downspout tie-in, so you can see the cleanout valve there in case any kind of clogging. They can take off the grate there and snake the system. It's going out to here underground, underneath of the concrete, and then you have a pop-up emitter there, so then the water can just dissipate through here. But then you can see this front yard landscape design and everything tied in nicely. Very nice. Everything is clean, sleek, finished. And then I just tied in some river rock over here to kind of finish everything off with this beautiful texture. River rock boulder, you got your spirals over there, and then some river rock along the sides here. That's it, that's the whole job. This one's done. We're gonna pack it up and go home.